Hey everyone, welcome to my video. In this video we are going to be working on this infinity tube. We will create a 3D sketch and then we will use development and structural member. Let's start by opening a new part here, and then in the front plane we create a sketch. This sketch will be 400 by 400 millimeter square, and then we just go create the extrude, which is 400 millimeter. In fact, the thing that we are doing here, creating a cube, and I will use the corner edges of this cube to create easy 3D sketch that is working quicker than the other way. And we will make 60 by 60 offsets in each surface. I take this tool edge also, and then here, and we turn our part and we are coming at the other surface, other side, and then the same thing here, reverse, and in this surface and in this surface. Yes, now we can make them in another color. For example, we can make them green, as you see. Now the thing that we should make, combining only the lines with 3D sketch. Under sketch I took my 3D sketch and I am converting some lines already, and then we just take a line and start to combine existing lines, and then from here to here we have a little extra line here. We just delete it. Yes, exactly. We were sorting something like this. When I hide my cube, helping cube, then I see my 3D sketch already there. We could create this without also a cube, without using the extra sketch, but working in 3D sketch is not that much easy. By using 2D objects and by their help creating a 3D sketch, it is much more easier. Once we have our 3D sketch, we just choose structural member, ISO, square tube, and size 40 by 40, and we choose only our lines, 3D lines, and then in the middle of this line our profile following me when I choose each line, and we are almost done. Then I will just say OK and going out. By this way also it will be so easy to make revision. For example, this was 40 by 400 by 400 in the middle. Then we have 40 tube, which is in the middle. 440 by 440, it's a cube, and once you want to change it, you're just going to change the size of this basic sketch and the extrude. Then your model automatically going to be bigger and smaller. That's why I chose this way, and I hope you understand, guys. If you like video, please press like button and make comment. I see you guys, you are watching my videos a lot, but I don't have that much subscriber and comment still.